Assalamu alaikum. I am Raed al-Hthayf, and these are the people in my group, Faisal al-Falih and Yusuf al-Loush. Today we're going to explain how to use and what are the basic components of a compound light microscope.
First, we will explain the structure of the microscope. First, here we have the eyepiece lens, which it is the first magnification point in the microscope. It can magnify 10 to 15 times. Here we have the barrel. It connects the eyepiece lens with the objective lens. Here we have the arm. It is like the backbone of the microscope. You can use it to carry the microscope, and it raises the objective lens above the stage. Here we have the objective lens. There are 3 lenses with different magnification power. And here the stage. It is the main platform of the microscope where you put attach the slide with the clips. And here we have two knobs of focuses, fine focus and coarse focus. Coarse focus is used to focus the lens with the slide, and fine focus, it is used to increase details. Here we have the lamp. It is the main source of light in the microscope. Here is the diaphragm. It is used to control the light that enters into the slide. Yes. And here we have the base. It is the main support of the microscope. Yes, and now Raad will explain how the microscope works.
So with the microscope, how we use it to magnify things that are too small for the naked eye to see. First, this is the light source. Now we are using a bulb, but it can be any light source, such as a mirror, just to reflect the light up. And then here is the under here actually. It's the condenser. It is used to control the amount of light that goes up to the stage. With the stage, we take the slide and insert it into the stage clip. Right here. And then with the nose piece, we can look down using the light source that comes from the bottom to really see the small thing that the naked eye cannot see. Using these 3 lenses that we have a lens right here that's 4 magnifying power, 10 magnifying power, and 40 magnifying power. In a little bit, I'm going to tell you how to calculate the total magnification power. So using these lenses, you should always use the smallest one first, so you can control the stage. Because if you didn't use the smallest one, then maybe these other ones would hit the stage. So it's very important to start with the smallest one first, and then you can make your way up to these. And then with the eye lens, it also says here, right now we have a 10 magnifying power for the eye lens. We look into the eye lens from here, and then we can see the small things, the small specimen. In order to calculate the total magnification power, we multiply the eye lens magnification power by the objective lens magnification power. So right now we're using 4 magnification power for the objective lens and 10 for the eye lens. So 10 times 40 is 10 times 4 is 40. So right now the total magnification power is 40.